Hi friends, I'm Allie Gator. Today we're learning about the letter A. Hello, I'm the letter A. I can make two sounds. Two sounds? Let's learn them. This is my short sound. A, like in apple. A, apple. Short A says A. Let's try another short A word. Axe. Axe. A, axe. That's short A too. Now listen to my long sound. A, like in cake. A, cake. Long A says its name. Another long A word is apron. Acorn. A, apron. That's long A. Let's review. Short A says A, like apple and axe. Long A says A, like cake and apron. Now it's your turn. Say it with me. A, apple. A, cake. A, axe. A, apron. Great job learning the sounds of A. Keep listening for short A and long A in words all around you. See you next time. Bye, friends!